Let me run you guys through a pretty substantial trade deal that I did with a customer of mine involving multiple different independent watch brands. This was a pretty fun deal to put together, so let me break it down for you guys. This is a long time and very good customer of mine who I'm actually pretty good friends with at this point, and we put together a pretty complicated deal, but it ends up working out pretty well for everyone in the end. What he's getting from us is this FP Journe Centigraphe with the yellow dial, as well as this Romain Gauthier C. And he's trading in Romain Gauthier Logical 1, Speake-Marin Openworked, and this Ressence collab with Alain, Silberstein, and Grail watch. So the structure of this deal was very focused on transparency, and this customer of mine knows that I'm in business to make a living, so we came up with a deal that we both felt was fair. I found him this watch, I showed him exactly what it cost me, and I even agreed to sell it to him at my cost, which you might be thinking, why would I sell a watch at my cost and make no money? The way that we structured the rest of the deal allows me to make some margin on the trade. He gave me these 3 watches, which are valued over $100,000, and going to at least cover the cost of this watch, and he's letting me charge him an 8% consignment fee for doing so. Once I'm done selling these watches, I'll make a little bit over $10,000 on this whole transaction. Yeah, that might sound like a lot of money for us to make on a single transaction, but we're moving over $250,000 worth of watches. It's a lot of risk to be involved in, so the reward has to be there. And then after that whole deal was made, he decided to also get this. So this was just a separate deal. He just bought that straight up. This customer of mine is actually an American citizen who lives in Nepal. He actually comes back to the US a couple times a year to visit family and to do a watch trade with me. Since we've met to now, he's grown his business significantly, so it's also nice to see how his watch tastes have changed over the year and how he's been leveling himself up. So that was a little bit of an insight into how this particular deal went down. It was definitely structured different than how we do most deals, but the relationship that I've developed with this customer has gotten us to the point where we can make deals like this happen and it works out for everyone. That wraps up the video. If you guys enjoy seeing the business side of the trades and how we structure things to work for both us and the client, drop a comment below and we'll try to put some more of these kind of videos together for you.